Hey everybody, so I'm back in the cutting area for the shop where I work at, and I'm going to try to make some movement trays, and just gotta set up the machine and then give it a try. And I'm just going to cut one out of this scrap, go home, test it with my models, make sure that there's enough space for play and stuff like that, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm back home, and here's the tray with the models on it. It's a little tight, and I mean they fit in there, but like if you paint the rims like I do, then there might be some problems with them fitting in. Or like this one in the back here, if I can grab it, you can see this one here is picking up the whole tray, and that's because it's somewhere around here. There's still a little bit of a tab from the sprue. So I think I might just go just a little bit bigger with the hole, and then we should be good to go for trays. Anyways, here's just a quick update. Thanks for watching.